Hello everyone. We know operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. In today's video, we are going to learn about assignment and comparison operator. Assignment operator is used to assign any values to the variables. In this operator, we use equal or assignment symbol. Let us see comparison operator. Now symbol flashing on screen are comparison operator. Less than, greater than, 2 times equals, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to are some of the operators that are used as a comparison operators. And these kind of operators are mainly used for comparison. Let us take an example to find maximum of 3 variables and understand the use of these operators. Let us declare 3 variables here, a, b and c. We are declaring variable and we are also using assignment operator here to assign values to this particular variable. I am providing argument in input function that will be printed on screen while taking input. We are using conditional statement here to find maximum of 3 variables. Here I have combined 2 conditions. If A is greater than B and it is greater than C, then A is greater should be printed. Similarly, same condition for B also I have defined. Now if A and B are not greater, then the else part should be executed and C is greater should be printed. Let us see the output. Let us include one more condition in case all the values provided by user are equal. Now, using equal operator or assignment operator twice, we can do that. And let us see the output now. Thank you.